You are at the apex of the truth. The truth about war is that it is the biggest lie yet. It brings humanity to understand, distinguish, and choose between realities. This is the galactic age as denoted by the Mayan calendar, wherein humanity is held ethically responsible for all creation upon Earth. Higher multidimensional consciousness has arrived, and for the skin to be shed of the old, the new must be ready to take its place. From the perspective of the material universe of the third dimension, the changes will be by degree as your mind opens into the next stages. The adjustments in the emotional and mental levels will accept responsibility and face the truth of war. The angels of the Golden Sun, the Andromedans, are present with the messages through the pillars of light. The invisible channels within mass consciousness will open doorways or singularities into the expansive multidimensional being. The planetary unseen managers are fomenting chaos to wreck the current limited infrastructures. The parasites that have taken hold within humanity live on fear, deception, and abuse, and the higher energies are allowing the river of change to flow to dismantle the old warlords. These current and forthcoming energies are communications which unlock codes. They are like passwords that allow your programs to operate. Wayshowers already have the innate understanding of these new programs, yet you do not have access to them. They are installed and ready, but the passcodes will be given when you accept, acknowledge, and use your ability to manifest within multidimensional realities, within new systems, and through the dimensional layers and alternate realities. As you are in the descending level of the Mayan fifth day of the galactic consciousness, the clocks of time that have moved your evolution throughout time are coming to a completion or an end of this segment. This is the message as the river slows to a stop at the ocean.